Okay, let's do another one of these wacky orientation ones. I really like sitting here in my office with the window open and the kids playing on the sidewalk and soldering things. And I really have no idea why, but I wish I was listening to The Cure. I have no explanation for that. So I guess I'm going to have to look up and find out what the deal is with playing music on a stream. Because if I can't stream music, there's really no point. And I really want to. So maybe I'll have to find some like super low rent streaming service that just doesn't give a shit. I mean, the only people who are going to be watching this are my friends anyway, so why care? The thing that I really need is a better base for my microscope, because this whole having to rearrange the board and the stand and every other bloody thing every time you change orientation. Holy crap, I need to clean my iron. Oh, that was good. Can't do that twice in a row. Maybe I can. Ha, 3 for 3. Not bad. I will take it. Those all look shiny and awesome.